Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these crusty sesame seed rolls. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give it a brief mix just to incorporate the two. Then you can go ahead and add in the fresh yeast along with the white shortening and the water, and then start to mix it on a low speed just until a dough forms. Being careful not to overmix the mixture, around 5 to 7 minutes is perfect. You can then go ahead and flour your work surface and place the dough onto it, giving it all a brief knead just until it's smooth and elastic. Once you've achieved that, you can take it, bring it back into a ball shape and then take it, place it into a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with cling film. After the first proof, you can again flour your work surface and then place the proofed dough onto it, knocking it back. This is just a process of removing the gases that built up during the first proof. You will then want to take the dough and keep it covered at all times to stop it skimming over and start to scale it off. I take the weight of my dough and divide it by 12, so for me it was around 70 grams per roll, but you may have more or less. That number shouldn't be too different. You'll then want to weigh and scale each one up, round it off, dip it in the sesame seeds and place onto a baking tray, making sure that you're keeping the dough covered at all times. Once all of your sesame seed rolls are done, you can place them onto a baking tray which has been lined with some parchment, and you should put them in the formation of 3 across by 4 down if you're using a standard baking tray. This is what achieves the best results. You'll then want to cover them with cling film and leave them to proof for around 45 minutes to an hour, or until they have batched together, looking a bit more like this. Once you can see that they are batching together, you'll then want to preheat your oven. All of that information will be in the blog post which will be linked down below. Remove the cling film and place them straight into your preheated oven and bake them off. Here are what the rolls look like once they are out of the oven and they have cooled slightly. As you can tell, they are crusty, and to achieve the perfect crusty consistency, you'll want to put a tray in the oven while it's preheating and fill it with cold water just before you put the rolls in, and that's done. So here is what they look like once you cut into them. As you can tell, I'm using a serrated knife to get through that crust, which is quite crusty, and as you can tell, you've got the perfect consistency inside, which is what you're looking for. And these are dinner rolls, not burger rolls. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with a confectionery video for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to my blog, this recipe, and all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me on there, as I may be posting more or less. I don't know what I'm doing. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.